my name is Stacy Cobb and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you one of my latest creations. Actually, I've been working on it for quite a while. This is a journal, but it's kind of, as you can see, kind of got a gear theme. Of course, this is embossed. I don't know if I can show you this too well, but it does stand up. The edges are embossed as well as the back. So anyway, this is done with a Sizzix embossing folder. And the edges here, this tape, this is just plain old-fashioned white sports tape that you can buy at the store. And I'm making this as a gift. So under here, there's actually some let's see if we can get this to show up here. Anyway, there's some information in here that's for the intended person. And this is just a little notepad. And over here on this side is also a little notepad. This is a pocket. And inside, these pockets are made out of envelopes. And there's just some note cards to write on. Let's see, what else did I put in here? Another note card, I think. Yeah, just plenty of space to write notes or thoughts or ideas. And as you can see, it's just a plain old envelope. Open it up this way. Here's another envelope. And I believe I just put a note card. Oh, there's more in here. A note card. And I think this is just a little book with some scrap pieces of paper. These cards here are also embossed, and then I cut them out and I glued them onto here. These are stamps. Some area here to write on. These are Tim Holtz ticket booth stamps and die cuts. And inside here, there's a little ticket that I made for, of course, when you go on your airship trip. And more stuff in here. This actually should go in here like this. And this is something I learned off of watching a video, but I don't remember, and I didn't write it down who I watched do this. But you push, and it's, and I just put in stuff I found and made up names and a little story to go with. And then there's this envelope. And this one's just got more paper to write on. After all, it's a journal. And then there's this one. Another little notebook with spare paper to write on. And this is where we get to kind of the fun part of the story of this book. This is a die cut. Oh, what is this? Oh, drew a map where to find the treasure. Talking about where it's located. Better put this back. They might need it for the adventure. More space to write on, and another envelope. And let's see what we got in here. More space to write on. Ooh, several things. Let's see what's in here. Oh, looks like a map. And then this. Oh, more information about the map. And what's this? Ooh, I think this goes with the other map. So I'm just going to put those in here. I'm going to tuck this one in here with this. More writing space. This is a die cut from Sizzix. And I've written a little story, added it in here, and this can just come out. And then it's just the plain back. So when we fold this up, it's gonna go oh, maybe not. Let's see if I get this right. And there you have it. Thank you. If you're interested in seeing more things on my channel, you feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.